the story behind this, I have a neighbor that actually does roofing for a living, and so I wouldn't have even known if I didn't have this neighbor, but he just randomly stopped by my house one day, and I can't even remember the words he used because I'm not a roofer, but basically he saw something that didn't look right and wanted to know if he could get on the roof and do a free inspection. So I was like, sure, why not? Anyway, long story short, that led to that I had lots of damage on my roof, which was built, my house was built in, I think 2005, so it was actually already an old roof anyway. So, anyway, had lots of damage and hail damage on my siding, and so I was able to get a roof paid for by my insurance, and I didn't even know I needed it. So it was like, anyway, anytime somebody does a good job, I'm going to shout them out. So if you're needing a new roof, or maybe if you don't even know that you need a new roof, I would highly recommend the A-Team, and Scott Rodgers was my guy. And anyway, they did a really, really good job. I didn't have to do anything. Like, it was like no headache. Like, I literally did nothing. They just did all my paperwork. They came out here, insurance sent my check, and it was a done deal. So this roof, though, is like a way better shingle than what I had. I'm trying to explain this. Way better shingle than what I had. It's like 3D looking. And mine is Majestic Shake, which I really don't want to tell you that because I don't think anybody in this area has this roof except for me, and I really, really like it. So I'm going to flip this around and hopefully, watch out, Kat, hopefully you can see the colors. That's why I was waiting for like a sunny day, because it almost has like a little bit of turquoise in it, which really freaked me out at first. I'm like, oh, I don't know if I want that on my roof, but it looks really good. And it just depends on the way the sun is shining that day. Like, it just always looks different. I have some before pictures too, so you can see it. My only problem now that's driving me nuts is that I want to change the color of my siding to white. But anyway, baby steps. So there's the roof, and it's like 3D looking. Let me walk around this way and try to not make people dizzy, see if I can get a better angle of the color. But yeah, I was like torn. I think it was called Weathered Wood or Pristine Weathered something. It was that one and Majestic Shake that I was torn between the two, and I went with this one. And I'm really glad I did because it looks really, really good. So, but I'm pretty sure they go everywhere, like Nashville, Franklin, wherever. So yeah, hit up Scott Rodgers.